How's everything? I hope everything is fine with you. Today I'm going to give you 6 simple tips how to protect our mental health during COVID-19 crisis. Basically guys, I came up with a simplified version or a summary on how to protect our mental health. H, which stands for having a healthy lifestyle. So for us to be able to gain a healthy lifestyle, we need to practice proper hygiene, we need to eat healthy diet, we need to have a proper exercise, and of course we need to have a good sleep. So when we say practice proper hygiene, we need to really wash our hands frequently, then avoid touching our nose, our eyes and mouth, especially when our hands are not washed. And of course, when we go outside to buy some groceries, we need to practice social distancing, and of course we need to wear masks as well in order to be really fully protected against COVID-19. Next is letter E. E, which stands for engaging into hobbies or any interesting activities that will make us productive and creative. So for example, you want to learn new things like playing guitar, painting, cooking, or baking a cake. It's very simple, but it is something that would make you relax or make you calm. Next is letter A, which stands for arranging your daily routine. For example, cleaning your kitchen, bathroom, or toilet, and of course cleaning our room or our closet. And it's very important also to clean the doorknobs in order to avoid contamination or the possible risk of spreading the virus. Next is letter L, which stands for let go of negativity and spread positivity. So it's very important also that we limit our time in watching stressful news, like for example the updates with regards to the rapid increase of COVID-19 cases. Next is letter T, which stands for taking time to talk to our loved ones or being connected to our families through social media platforms. So this is the perfect opportunity for us to really have quality time with our families. So let's just enjoy every moment that we spend together with our families. Lastly is letter H, which stands for having a connection with God. So guys, it's very important that we continuously pray to God that this pandemic crisis will be over soon. And of course, we should pray also consistently that He will continuously send His mantle of protection to our families, to our children, and to our loved ones. And also guys, we really need to pray also our frontliners, their dedication and commitment to serve, especially those who are sick or infected with this COVID-19. That's it guys. I hope this 6 simple tips will somehow give you an awareness on how to value our mental health in the midst of this pandemic crisis. Have a nice day and see you again to my next vlog. God bless.